Assalamu alaikum. Hello, dear students, grade 2. Welcome to our grammar lesson for today. This is a revision on prepositions with transportations. Do you remember them? Let me remind you. If you remember, we have prepositions like by. This preposition by comes before some words, and these words are called transportations like plane, car, boat, taxi, and train. So we say by plane, by car, by boat, by taxi, and by train. Okay? Another preposition is in. This preposition comes before some words, but there must be a word between this preposition and the other word. Let me clarify you. We say in my car. So pay attention to this word my. In my car. We say in a lorry. In the taxi. In a helicopter. So we use this preposition before transportations, but on one condition. There must be a word like my, a, the. Okay? The third preposition is on. On. We say on a train, on the bus, on a plane, on the bike. Okay? And on my boat. Okay, let me clarify more with using sentences, using grammar in sentences. Let me give you some examples. Here we say, I'd like to go to Africa by plane. I'd like to go to Africa by plane. Okay, next. I'd like to go to work in a taxi. I'd like to go to work in a taxi. I'd like to go home in the car. I'd like to go home in the car. Okay? I'd like to travel to Egypt on a plane. On a plane. I'd like to ride on the boat. On the boat. Okay, let me answer with you an activity using this grammar. Here, complete the following missing words in the sentences. Number 1, I'd like to go to Italy, space, plane. Yeah, excellent, by plane. Number 2, I'd like to jump a bike. Yeah, on a bike. Number 3, I'd like to jump a taxi. Very good. In a taxi. Number 4, I'd like to travel a plane. Yeah, excellent. On a plane. Okay, is it clear? Okay, choose the correct answer. Number 1, I'd like to go to Italy on, by, in, plane. Yeah, excellent. By plane. By plane. Number 2, I'd like to jump in, on, by a bus. So, yeah, excellent. On a bus. Number 3, I'd like to jump in, on, by a car. Yeah, very good. I'd like to jump in a car. In a car. Okay, correct the mistake here. Number 1, I'd like to go to Africa in a plane. In plane. Yeah, it is by plane, not in plane. Okay, number 2, I'd like to jump on a taxi. On a taxi. No, in a taxi. Number 3, I'd like to travel by a boat. No, on a boat. On a boat. Okay? Okay, come here. Complete the following missing words in the sentences. Number 1, I'd like to go to Africa. Which word we use here? Very good. By plane, a preposition by plane. Number 2, I'd to drive a lorry. Yeah, we should write here a verb. I'd. Excellent. Like. I'd like. Okay, number 3, I'd like to a boat. I'd like to sail. Very good. Sail a boat. Number 4, I'd like to jump a taxi. Yeah. In a taxi. In a taxi. Okay. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, I'd like to jump on, by, in a bus. Yeah, very good. On a bus. Number 2, I'd like to drive, ride, fly a car. Yeah, drive a car. Drive a car. Number 3, I'd like to ride a boat, bike, taxi. Ride a boat. Very good. Correct the mistake. Number 1, I'd like for fly plane. No, I'd like. Excellent. 2, I'd like to. Number 2, I'd like to ride a bike. Likes. Very good. I'd like without S. Number 3, I'd like to travel by a boat. No, on a boat. Okay. Here, reading part. Read the sentences, then match. Number 1, he's waiting for a bus. Okay, look at the picture. Let's search for the correct picture. He's waiting for a bus. Where is the picture? Very good. This. He's waiting for a bus. Number 2, she is riding a scooter. Yeah, very good. She is riding a scooter. Number 3, he's riding a motorbike. Yeah, this. Number 4, he's on a skateboard. Very good. And number 5, she is riding a bike. Excellent. Okay, put the words in order. Number 1, 2, I'd ride a bike. Like. We will start with, yeah, I'd like to ride a bike. Number 2, like, sail a boat. I'd like to sail a boat. Very good. Number 3, a train. Drive. 2, like, yes, I'd like to drive a train. Okay, dear students, this is your homework. It is the same activities, this and this. I'm going to send it on WhatsApp as a PDF, and you have to answer those activities by yourself in your copybook. Okay? Okay, now thank you so much for your watching. See you soon. Bye.